this video, we'll be showing you how to convert a three-phase QO load center from a main breaker load center to a main lug load center. You will first remove the dead front by removing the 3 dead front screws and sliding the dead front out of the load center. You will then remove the breaker by removing these 3 nuts and then loosening the 3 wire binding screws on the breaker. Once you have the bus bars removed, you would then loosen the 4 breaker mounting screws and then pull the breaker out of the load center. You would then install your main lug kit on these 3 phase bars and then reuse the same nuts to tighten them onto the bars. Once you now have it converted to main lug and have the dead front reinstalled, to comply with code you will install the Q2 FP filler plate in the main breaker spot. You now have your 3-phase QO load center converted from main breaker to main lugs, and you have the Q2 FP filler plate installed to comply with the NEC code.